Welcome to the Weekend Talk Show. I'm Chi and today we'll meet Dr. Dat, the futurist.
Hi.
Today we are talking about predictions. So, what will scientists be able to do to the medical industry?
So between 2020 and 2023, the scientists will be able to grow an organ from stem cells.
Can you be more specific?
Yes, in the previous decade, we have already grown various tissue, bones, and muscles by using stem cell, but for the organ is much more complex.
So how complex?
The first artificial organ transplant was achieved in 2011, and this is a good opportunity to save us from many kinds of disease. The problem is the organ didn't match the patient, the body would reject it.
So I also heard a prediction about ectogenesis. Can you tell me about ectogenesis?
Yes, ectogenesis is like growing a mammalian embryo in an artificial environment. It was first described in 1924 by a British scientist named Howdell.
So what will happen to it?
Um, First we will try with the animals, but it only lasts for a few days, and with technology we have already successfully created a mouse embryo with a uterine lining. After that, the third study achieved this with a human embryo, and so we will keep going.
How will it help?
The children will be created without enduring a lengthy, painful, or dangerous virus. This makes sure a safe environment for the child.
Okay, so I have another question for you about diseases. How dangerous is congestive heart failure?
About 5.1 million adults were affected in the US during 2010.
How helpful are stem cells in general treatment and heart disease in particular?
In general treatment, we can use stem cell to repair and replace damaged tissues, and that's very helpful for the heart. For the heart disease in particular, there is some kind of cocktail which will help you increase blood vessels, heart muscle generation, and more. This will allow the patient to live a normal life and increase a lifespan.
Thank you. These predictions will be really helpful. That's it for today. Let's say goodbye to Dr. Dat.